Uh, Well, I'm starting a new channel. We really had one channel named as Oblue channel. Now we got a new channel called as the Divine Ranger. Plus the old blue channel was accidentally shut off by me. So this time what we are going to do, we're going to test some folding knives on this cardboard box. Well, we're going to do wood knife versus real knives. So let's get started. Knife I made it myself, so as you can see, simple design, two bolts, a blade, plywood blade and a wood handle. Kind of easy to make, but let's see how it does on a box. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, you shouldn't be get stabbed with this one. So as you can see, it's a pretty big cut. Let's see how much it can do in multi cuts, multi thrusts. Well, you don't want to be this box, that's what I think. And let's do like a cut test. Shall we do it? Yes, let's go. Whoa. I just stab first and I just take it down like piece by piece. Okay, I'm serious, it's pretty difficult to do with the wood, so I would say it's not doing nice. It's not sharp. So cut it. Okay. Whew. I would say does it, but not that good. Whew. Holding knife is not so good. Well, this is still good. Let's try a metal one, shall we? Here. So let's see how this does. Well, stab is pretty good, pretty soft. I like it. Boom. Ooh. It cuts like butter. That's what I like. Woohoo! As you can see, that's good, man. You can like just keep it like that, and you can like hit it with your other hand, or you can buff it. I don't like this knife. It's pretty tough, but it's not an original. It's kind of fake buck. I don't have real money to buy one. This is a fake one. Still, it works like sharp, like that. Well, one thing about blades, you don't need to load them. This is not a gun. Just sharp it. You can keep it with you. Well, this is just pretty nice. Guys, another one. I like butterfly knives because these really are not like a cutting tool or something like that. It's not even a utility tool. It's one of those knives you can like keep them around. You can like play with them. That's why I like butterflies. So let's think how much cutting this can do. So well, I like the stab, like pretty clean stab, like, and not even a single pressure. Well, pretty good. Now let's try with a cut, shall we? Like a big, thick cut. Okay. Hey, let's just make this. Okay, get ready to like. Okay, pretty smooth. Okay. I like this. You can be like doing this all day. Stab it. Well, still, but I would say that butterflies are just for fun. That's it. And I would say today's loser was like, I'm serious. Don't use wood knives as a folding knife. That's what I say. Well, guys, Divine Ranger, thanks a lot.